Good afternoon. Looks like we've got everybody in and attached with sound. So my name is Kristen Johnson. I'm the Assistant Director of Business Administration here at North Penn School District. Thank you for joining us for the elementary school chiller replacement and exhaust fan installation bid opening. It is June 9th at 2 p.m. And before we get started, I'd like to mention that this meeting is being recorded. I'd also like to ask that all attendees remain muted until the bid opening has concluded. There will be an opportunity at the end for questions and answers related to the bid opening. With me, I have our Director of Facilities, Tom Schneider.
Hello, everybody.
And one final thing before we start the opening. Today's the bid opening, and the bid results are anticipated to be reviewed at our Facilities and Operations Committee meeting on June 27th, with final board approval to occur on July 21st. So I think we're good to go and we can start the opening.
Thank you. Today we have two prime contractor bid openings. We will start with the mechanical contractors, and the first bid opening is Five Star Incorporated. It appears all the documents are included. And also, just to inform everyone, we will be doing a more extensive review of all documents after the bid opening, but I'll let everyone know if it appears that everything's included. So Five Star Incorporated, the base bid amount is $1,948,000. That's $1,948,000. The next bid is Udelli Brothers, mechanical contractors. It appears all documents are included. The base bid amount is $1,892,000. That's $1,892,000. The next bid is GEM Mechanical Services. Appears all documents are included. The base bid amount is $1,444,000. $1,444,000. The next bid is Hirschberg Mechanical. It appears all documents are included. Base bid, $1,622,400. That's $1,622,400. Next bid is JBM Mechanical. Appears all documents are included. Base bid, $1,555,000. $1,555,000. Next bid is McCloskey Mechanical Contractors. It appears that all documents are included. Base bid, $1,519,975. I'm sorry, there was handwritten in that that's not correct. It's $1,569,000, 907. I'm sorry, let me repeat this. $1,569,975. $1,569,975. Final mechanical bid is Myco Mechanical. It appears all documents are included. Base bid, $1,464,000. $1,464,000. That completes all mechanical bids received. The next will be to open up the electrical bid. We received one bidder, Electric Tech Incorporated. Here's that all the documents are included. Base bid, $172,250. $172,250. And that concludes all the bids received.
Thanks, Tom. I'm going to go ahead and share out the results just so everybody can see them in case anybody missed a number or an amount. If there are any questions, we'll take them at this time. You can just go ahead and unmute yourself. Okay, I'm not seeing any questions. Tom and I'd like to thank everybody who participated and submitted bids today. We do know that it takes quite a bit of time and energy to put those together, and we appreciate every response we have received. As Mr. Schneider and Tom had mentioned, we will be reviewing to make sure there is compliance with all of our bid specification for the lowest responsive bidders for both contracts. And then from there, just as a reminder, we are looking to review this with our facilities and operations group on June 27th and anticipated board approval on July 21st. We thank everybody and have a great day.